Some cars fly under the radar. They don't have flashy ads, massive marketing campaigns, or huge fan clubs. You won't see them plastered across billboards or dominating your social media feed. But that doesn't mean they aren't worth your money. Today, I'm revealing one of those hidden gems, a car that delivers outstanding value, rock-solid reliability, and quality that punches far above its price tag. It's a car that quietly goes about its business, making everyday life smoother, cheaper, and more enjoyable for its owners. If you're looking for a smart buy that gives you more for less, stick with me, because this is one car you'll want to know about. Let's dive in. Meet the Skoda Fabia, a compact hatchback that doesn't try to impress with overstyled bodywork or aggressive lines. Instead, it focuses on doing the essentials very well. Its design is timeless and clean. Its build quality is solid, the kind that gives you confidence every time you close the door. This is a car that doesn't try to shout for attention. Its strength is in its substance, its reputation for reliability, durability, and everyday usability. It's a car that just quietly delivers, year after year. The Fabia often lives in the shadow of bigger names like the Ford Fiesta or Volkswagen Polo. Its badge doesn't carry the same status, and its design doesn't grab as many headlines. But that's exactly why it's worth considering. Lower demand means lower prices. In other words, you can pick up a well-maintained, low-mileage Fabia for a fraction of the cost of its trendier competitors. For savvy buyers, that's an opportunity to own a well-built, well-designed, and highly reliable car for a lot less money. On the road, the Skoda Fabia shines. Its sharp handling makes it ideal for zipping through tight city streets, while its comfortable suspension and solid build quality mean longer motorway trips are a breeze. The engine range, especially the popular 1.0-litre turbo petrol, delivers great fuel efficiency and just enough pep for daily driving. It's quick when you need it, smooth when you want to relax, and remarkably frugal when you watch the fuel gauge. And when it comes to reliability, the Fabia is built to last. Owner forums, reliability studies, and service records all rated highly. This is a car you can trust, one that doesn't just save you money when you buy it, but also throughout its lifetime. Here's where the Fabia truly shines. Even well-spec'd models come with equipment you'd expect to pay a premium for elsewhere. We're talking about features like a crisp touchscreen infotainment system, parking sensors and lane assist, cruise control, smart connectivity for your phone, and a cabin layout that feels more premium than budget. And here's the best part. You can find a used Fabia, just a few years old, 400s or even thousands less than a comparable Ford Fiesta or Volkswagen Polo. You're getting the same quality engineering, a strong reputation, and plenty of modern equipment for a fraction of the cost. For families, new drivers, or anyone looking for a dependable daily runabout, it's hard to beat. Talk to people who own a Fabia, and you'll notice a common theme: quiet satisfaction. Owner reviews consistently highlight its practicality, low running costs, and solid engineering. It's called a car you can trust every day and one of the best buys I've ever made. In a world of overhyped cars that try too hard to impress, the Skoda Fabia is refreshingly different. It doesn't try to be the biggest, the flashiest, or the fastest. It just delivers on its promises every single time. Its owners love it because it works, reliably and quietly, every day of the week. So, who is this car for? In short, anyone looking for a well-built, dependable, and cost-effective car. It's ideal for new drivers who want an easy-to-handle, affordable first car. It's perfect for small families who need a roomy boot, low running costs, and reliability. It's great for couples or professionals looking for a compact hatchback that's smart, efficient, and built to last. The Skoda Fabia proves you don't have to spend a fortune to get a car that does the job, and does it well. So, there you have it, the Skoda Fabia. A hidden gem that delivers outstanding value, reliability, and quality. It may not have the flashiest badge or the trendiest looks, but when it comes to doing the things that matter every day, it shines brighter than many of its competitors. If you're looking for a car that delivers more for less, don't overlook the Fabia. It's proof that sometimes, the best deals aren't the ones that scream for your attention, they're the ones quietly waiting for you to notice them. If you like this review, give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe for more honest, in-depth guides to the best cars for every budget. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. And if you want to learn more about finding great value in the used car market, be sure to visit our website. It's packed with guides, reviews, and tips to help you save money and make the right choice every time. Thanks for watching,